try, you never find out really can be. Got your girls with you, got my niggas with me. Spend it all and get it back. Being broke's just a memory. Yeah, every time.
Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like and comment. So today we're going to go into Google and search green background or green screen. You'll see a lot of green things and just download the one that you desire. Then back to the search, we're going to look for, in this place you can look for any background you want, but me I'll go with marble background, then aesthetic, then these are good, like I love them. I love marble, so you go with the one you want, and this one good here. Download it and save it to the gallery. Now you're going to search for makeup. Here in this point you're going to take your photo or whatever you'll be doing on your YouTube channel, but now I'm gonna show you with a random picture. So let's get one. Let's go HD. This one is good, so let's download this. Then you have got to eraser. You want to erase the background there, and you're done. Good. And make sure you put your background green. Go to motion picture, select library, get your green photo so that you get a motion. So there's a blinking motion, smiling motion, frowning motion, and so you go to take your green screen, and you're going, in this moment you're going to add a video sticker from your camera roll, which is the picture. Wait, why is it? Sorry, the picture. Yeah, this is it. Then you can resize it the way you want it. It can be small, in the middle, large, side. It all depends on you and what you want. Yeah, I'm saying play with this until you get what you want. So my picture, the top was flat, the bottom was flat. So I thought, let me go with a full screen in the I put it in the left, right. I'm sick, that's why I sound like that. I'm sorry. So you save your video. This is how it looks. So go back to Pocket Video, YouTube Vlogs, go to Photos, and add your background. Done. On the background, you're going to select the video sticker you just saved. Your video sticker, this one. Then click on done. Then resize it to the background of your trees. Go to mask and remove the green screen. There. Easy breezy. Do. So after this step, you want to go to stickers. With the stickers again, YouTube, but this time YouTube. So search Beauty Guru green screen. Beauty Guru green screen. Search. It will bring a lot. So this is just one, and I was watching it. I liked it. I like the way it's pink. But anytime I want to use one, it will tell me a supported format. So what I usually do is just screen record. After I screen record, I will edit it and cut and crop to the YouTube terms. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So go back to pocket video. The one the green screen you just recorded. So this is it. I recorded it. So I'm gonna crop it. Crop. Done. Then I still wanna crop it. I want to make it short. I want to make it short to be the same length with the video. So crop, push. There. So this is so good. So after you're done, you save video. Not as a new clip, just save the video. Done. Go to Pocket Video, YouTube Vlogs, and take your background. Done. Add your picture. Add your video sticker from the camera roll. This one. Done. Resize it. Mask it. Green screen remove. Add mask. Yes. So this is the picture this is the clip that you want to use. So let's go and add text. On the text we have a lot of fonts, so we're just going with simple. And right here, let's try Life of Kenny. It's just a random picture, random name, you know what I'm saying? Then you click done. Then you reposition it the way you want your video to look like. So just put it here, then go to the color, and you want people to see your name. You don't want to put a white on a white background, so let's do it with black. Life of Kenny. Then we're going in with a font, and I like going in with hand by hand, and I'll go with the Lily script one. That's so good. It's locally. So that's it. Then we want to add another text. So we're going still simple, and we add lifestyle and beauty. Done. At this point you can add whatever you will be doing on your YouTube channel. So this is just a random picture, so let's type lifestyle and beauty. Select the color that will be visible. I just go with black. Then reposition it the way you want. Go to fonts by hand, look for the beautiful one, the one you like. This cute but small, so we're still gonna look for another one. by hand again. We just look for a nice one, or we're going with the same one. The Kenny's one. Okay, this is good. So put it, reshape it, put it down, and done. So you wanna go to stickers and search for subscribe button. So you just search for subscribe. There you have a lot of them, but you want to go with the simple one, so you will go with the green screen one. You save this, you save, then new project, you come, you select your background, select background, now go to the stickers. Now for the subscribe button, take the green screen one, or whatever you're pleased with, then go to mask, hit the green screen, then the mask will come. Done. So you go to the main video, add sticker, which is the video you just saved. Okay, we didn't remove the green screen because we can remove it here. Camera roll, the video you just saved, this one, green screen. Done. Remove the green screen, positioning, remove the green screen. Boom. There. Place it wherever you want. You can place it on the head, you can place it down there. Okay, let's reshape it. This is good. Yeah, play it, and when you feel like it's okay with you, then you're done. You're good to go. You finish your project. But wait, we haven't you add your font and you remove it.